Hi guys, I know I have disappeared for a very long time, but now that I'm back, I think that is what all that matters. December turned out to be way hectic than I had actually imagined. But having said that, I did try a couple of products and I have one clear favorite. Yes, that is the reason why I'm here today. I couldn't wait to share the details of the product with you. I was dying to review the product. So the product that I'm going to review for you today is so good, and the reason why I absolutely love the product is that it gives a very natural look or finish. So the product that I have been hyping so much is actually a blush and a lip tint by Benefit Cosmetics. I managed to find on Nykaa. These are the only three I could find that was available. And the first shade that I showed you was Benedict, and the second was Gogo Tint, and the last one that I showed you was Cha Cha Tint. So I am going to firstly show you swatches of all the three shades, and later I'm going to apply and show you how it overall looks. So I have currently not applied any makeup on my face except for doing my eyebrows a little bit. No foundation, nothing. I actually wanted to show you by applying these blush and lip tint without any makeup. The reason why I wanted to show you by applying this product without any makeup is because this actually amps up your look. It looks so natural. Even in fact, when you are in a hurry and you have no time to do any makeup, you can just apply this on your lips and on your cheeks and you are done. It actually looks that beautiful. Before that, I'm going to show you swatches for these products. So the first shade that I'm going to show you is Benetint. This is definitely my favorite. These products are actually very liquidy. Can you see it is very thin? So this first shade was Benetint, and the second shade that I am applying is Gogo Tint. Right, this is very much pink. The first shade was reddish or cherry, you can say cherry shade, and the second shade is quite bright pink, and this bright pink is little more thicker than the earlier one. And the last shade is Cha Cha Tint, and this is supposed to be a peach shade. So the Gogo Tint and Cha Cha Tint is much more thicker than the Benetint. You can see here it's very thin, and also you need to apply multiple times to get the required shade. So the first shade that we had actually swatched, this particular one, which is very barely visible now, is actually Benetint, and trust me, this is really beautiful. You just need to build the color, but this is the most natural looking and looks really amazing. This is my favorite, hands down my favorite among all these three. I know you may not be convinced by looking at this swatch, but once I start applying, you'll get to know why this is my favorite. There you go, we are done with the first shade, which was Benetint, and definitely my favorite shade. You need to be a little careful with the color because it is really pigmented, so even a little amount goes a long way. I know the swatch did not look so great, it looked very thin and very light, but it actually is very pigmented. Just see, I've applied it just twice and you can see the kind of payoff it is giving me. So the next shade that I'm going to try is Gogo Tint, and this is supposed to be a bright pink color shade. So this is the second shade and this is how it looks. It is bright pink in color. So the last shade that we are going to try out is Cha Cha Tint, and it is supposed to be peach shade. how the three products look. And my favorite is definitely Benetint, because it has this natural reddish kind of shade which looks very, very natural. And my second favorite is obviously Cha Cha Tint. It is supposed to be peach. It does have a slightly peach pink kind of shade. So moving on, we are now going to discuss the pros and cons of the product. The first positive that I see about this product is that it is really pigmented. The color payoff is really, really good. Even a small amount of the product goes a long way. So when you apply, be careful. Start by applying a little and you can keep building it as per your requirement. The second positive about this product is that it is really smudge proof. It really, really does not go easily. It does not move or get oxidized, neither the color fades. What you applied in the morning, it's going to look exactly the same even till the evening. The third positive about this product is that it looks natural, it gives a natural finish. Obviously, it also depends on which product you are applying and how much and how you are applying. To begin with, Benetint, the first shade that we try, it actually looks a lot natural. Even if you build the color a little, it still continues to look natural. The second shade that we tried was Gogo Tint. Gogo Tint is something that you need to apply very little. Even if you apply a little more, it is not going to look so natural. And the third one, Cha Cha Tint, is also really good. It also gives a natural finish. It has more of a peaches pink shade, so it looks natural. In fact, that is the shade that I'm applying right now. I have applied a little more so that the camera is able to capture the color. But off camera, it actually looks much, much natural than Gogo Tint. We will now discuss the cons of the product. The first con that I noticed was that this product is quite dry. It leaves your skin dry, your cheeks, your lips. It's going to look really dry, feel very dry. So do moisturize your skin really well before you apply the product, and it works very well with a moisturizer. The product does not move or does not fade away despite applying the moisturizer. It in fact works very well. The second negative that I noticed about this product is that it does not work well on your lips. The pigmentation for the lips is not enough. The color will be too light for your lips, and I think one reason could be is that it is supposed to be a lip tint. It should give just a hint of color or a tinge of color on your lips, which it does achieve. Little tinge of color you will be able to see. But again, I'm still not going to prefer this product for my lips, because if you see the lower lips, you can see the color is really bright, but on the upper lips, since I have little pigmentation on my upper lip, the color is not being visible much. You can see the clear, stark difference. That is not going to look so well. And also the other thing while applying on the lip is that it is just too liquid. It's very thin, very liquidy. So when you apply, you need to apply just few dots, very little, and then smudge it up. Otherwise, if you try to apply it like a liquid lipstick, then it just flows. It does not stay in place. It gets smudged and moves out of your lip line. So it is quite difficult to apply on the lip. You just have to take a little and just dab or smudge and keep building it. After building couple of times also, the color is still not going to be bright enough. It is just going to be very light. Some may like it, but I personally did not like it. The only shade among all this, the only shade that is actually going to look quite bright and get applied properly or visibly on upper as well lower lip is the Gogo Tint. The shade of that blush or the lip tint is really bright, so because of that, it is definitely going to be visible on the lips. So the last negative, I would not like to call it negative because this is something I really like. There are a lot of other women who may not like this, so I am going to put this under negative only. It has a fragrance. So not all the three products. One of the product, that is the Benetint, it has a strong rose fragrance, which a lot of women may not like. I personally like fragrant cosmetics, so I have absolutely no problem using it. I in fact absolutely love the fragrance. but for some it may not work out, they may not like. So the shade that I'm referring to is Benetint, the first shade that we try. It has a strong rose fragrance. Besides, the other two does not have any fragrance. It does not have any good fragrance. At the same time, it has a mild, you will feel that mild, some kind of fragrance it has, but you will not notice. Only when you put it close to your nose and when you try to smell, that is when you get that mild fragrance. We will now discuss which shade suits which skin tone. So the first shade, which is Benetint, which was cherry color, it actually suits all skin tone. It looks really, that is the most natural looking blush or the shade among all these three. It looks really natural, really beautiful with or without makeup on all skin tone. From fair to dark, it suits very well. For dark skin, you may have to build the color a little, otherwise it looks fabulous. And the second shade which we tried was Gogotint. That is my least favorite because it is really bright pink color, and I personally feel that it is going to look good on fair skin tone. It is going to suit them, but it is not going to look good on a dark skin tone. Obviously, those who want to experiment and are confident enough to carry can definitely do that. Even dark skin tone can carry it off and use, but I personally feel that it is going to look really good on fair skin tone and not in dark skin tone, because it is really that bright Barbie pink kind of a color. And the last shade that we are going to discuss is Cha Cha Tint. Initially when you apply, in fact even when you open and see it looks orange or peaches. Initially it looks that, but once it has dried out, it turns pink. Again, it turns into a soft pink, which is a bit disappointing because I like a peach blush. But this actually turns into a pink color, a soft pink color. But despite that, I like the product because I do like pink blush also, and this one is apt. It is this soft, natural pink. Though, at certain angles you will also be able to see the hint of peach as an undertone, but overall it turns into a pink shade. And this particular shade is actually wearable by fair skin tone as well dark skin tone. It suits every skin tone, so I would give a big thumbs up for this product as well. So overall, I am really happy with this product of Benefit Cosmetics. I really love their blush. It is very, very natural looking, long wear, smudge proof, good pigmentation. I would give a huge thumbs up. So we will now discuss the packaging and what the brand is promising and whether it has been able to deliver that or not. So these products comes in this kind of packaging, the outer packaging, and it comes in a tube like this. It is very small, easy to carry in a purse, wallet. I even like to carry it in my pocket so that whenever I wish to reapply, it actually does not require reapplying, but whenever I wish to, I would do that easily for my lips. This product is available on Nykaa. I also got it from Nykaa. The first product, Benetint, cost me around $1,000. The other two cost me $1,700 each. I will also leave a link of the product on the description box below. So we will now discuss what this brand is promising and whether it was able to deliver or not. So it says that it is long wear, smudge proof and non-drying. Definitely it is long wear. Like, you won't believe it is so hard to remove also. Obviously, it goes away with water or makeup remover, but it will be a little tough. That is how smudge proof this is. And obviously, if it is smudge proof, it is long wearing, it does not fade, it stays in place. It is really, really good. So the first 2 points it is definitely living up to. Only the last point where it mentions it is not drying, this is absolutely not true. It actually dries out your lips and your cheeks. You will have to apply moisturizer well. So overall, I am really happy with the product. If you are looking for a blush that will give you a natural finish and you would also want to apply with or without makeup, then this is one product that you should definitely go for. I hope the review was helpful and your hunt for the perfect blush ends here. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe. And do leave a comment on the comment box mentioning the next product that you'd want to see me reviewing. Until then, take care and bye-bye. Happy New Year!